welcome to my channel, Fred Makes Things. So today is a special bonus unboxing video. Today we are unboxing the Sophie and Toffee Pixie box for May 2022. I'd hoped to have this unboxed on Monday, but it didn't arrive until like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So here we are filming it for tomorrow, Tuesday, May 10th. If you don't know what Sophie and Toffee or the Pixie box is, they're a resin company that provides subscription boxes for people. There are two main types of resin subscription boxes. There's the Elves box, where they give you everything that you need to create a resin project, including the resin. And then they have the Pixie box, which is a little bit less. And what they have in here is usually stuff for inspiration. So stuff that you can use to create a project of your choosing. It's a little bit cheaper because it doesn't have resin in it as well. I went with the Pixie box because I was being a bit of a cheapskate and didn't want to spend the extra money on the Elves box. So I bought a 6-month subscription for the Pixie box, and this is month 4 for me. Yeah, so what I did, as I always do, is I opened this off camera, but I haven't opened the box yet. So let's do that together. So every box has a theme, and this month's theme is Ohio, I think, and I believe it's like Japanese cherry blossom inspired. Yeah, you can see there's like Sakura wind chime silicone mold, Sakura stickers, coaster silicone mold. Really pretty. So let's take a look. So because I am like ridiculously new to resin, I often don't know what things are in the box. So I have to refer to the descriptive sheet to help me. Okay, so let's see what we have in here. First off, it looks like we have little fish confetti. They're called colorful fish confetti. Those are really pretty. They look like they're like iridescent or holographic. Or is that the bag? No, the fish are iridescent. So pretty. So cool. Then we have some pigment powders. We've got golden yellow and orange red. Mica powders, I guess they're called. Random color. So yeah, I got golden yellow and orange red. Then we have some open bezels. We have these are really, really pretty. These are the round origami bezel. And we have these Terutero Bozu bezel. I really like these. We have iridescent glitter, light blue cotton glitter. So we have orange cotton glitter last month, I think, and now we have light blue cotton glitter. Keep that in its pack. And we have Mexican red alcohol ink. That's really cool. And then this is the wind chime Yeah, Sakura Wind Chime silicone mold, gold dome bells, acrylic hole beads, colored paper, and string. Cool. I'm gonna leave that all packaged together too. Actually, here's the cherry blossom mold. That's really pretty. I like that. I like cherry blossoms. And then we have, we'll pull out the rest of the silicone molds. So we have this little sushi mold. I don't know if you're catching any of this on camera. This coaster mold. Oh, that's really pretty. It's this one. Awesome. Then we have this Terutero Bozu shaker mold. I don't know why I'm showing it to you that way. There's a big one and then a little tiny guy. That's cool. And then we have message board mold. More glitter. This is the holographic Sakura glitter. You can see that they're little tiny, like cherry blossoms in there. Then we have 2 geisha charms, a red metallic marker, Sakura stickers. Those are really pretty. And then we have transparent film. So yeah, in this box, we got quite a bit of stuff. As always, every Sophie and Toffee, or every Pixie box, comes with 20 items or so of things. And this one is no exception. Like, that is so pretty. So there you have it, everything that came in the box. I'm definitely going to be doing the wind chimes for my next resin project video. And I'm going to do the shaker for sure. Probably the coaster as well. And then we'll see what other little things I get my hands on. Okay. So what did you think of this box? Do you get the box? Do you like the theme of this box? Honestly, of the 4 that I've gotten so far this year, the perfect box, which was cat themed, the household box, which was called Home Sweet Home, last month's box, which was the Enchanted Forest, or this month's box, Ohio, which is like a Japanese cherry blossom kind of a box. This box is my favorite. I thought that the cat box would be, because I absolutely love cat stuff, cats and cat themed things, but I think that I really enjoy the theming of this box. I'm really excited to make this wind chime, especially since, never mind, that doesn't matter. Yeah, okay, so look for a new resin video Monday the 23rd or the 30th. I have a bunch of sewing that I'd like to get done before I start messing with resin again, but I might end up doing it the opposite way around. I'm not sure yet, because my Sewers Club unboxing video hasn't even aired yet. Anyways, so look for a new resin video on the 23rd or 30th, focusing mostly on UV resin, but I'm also going to make this Sakura mold and this coaster. I wonder if I could use UV or should use UV resin in this coaster mold. So many thoughts. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Subscribe if you like. I'm getting closer and closer to 100 subscribers, even though I just lost one last week, which made me sad. But anyway, I'm going to stop babbling and go. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk with you again soon. Bye!